Yes. They didn't give me painkillers for the pain.
That is wisdom.
This evening, he said to me there was a pain in his one testicle. And when he came up, I asked him the first time, he said the pain never left him. The second time he called me, he told me the pain is gone.
Oh. What did the doctor say? What did the doctor say? What's the problem? They said it's cancer, am I right? Alright, dit is so gesê. Alright, was 'n pyn daarna?
Yes.
En was die pyn nou? Dis klaar.